In civil engineering, design is often judged by how quickly it is delivered or how efficiently it fits within budget. Yet behind every successful project lies something far more fundamental: thoughtfulness. The true value of civil engineering design does not come from the number of drawings produced or the sophistication of software used. It comes from the depth of understanding, the quality of reasoning, and the care embedded in every technical decision. Before continuing, share your thoughts in the comments. What do you believe defines a thoughtful civil engineering design? Is it precision, sustainability, or the way it integrates with the land? A thoughtful design begins long before the first line appears on the screen. It starts with observation, with engineers studying the land, understanding its natural contours, soil conditions, drainage paths, and surrounding developments. Every site tells a story, and only through deliberate analysis can that story be translated into a design that fits harmoniously with its environment. When an engineer takes the time to explore how water will flow across the terrain, how grading will interact with existing elevations, or how small changes in slope can influence long-term maintenance, the outcome is more than a functional plan. It is a solution that stands the test of time. Thoughtful design is, above all, a reflection of responsibility. Every alignment, every pipe, every structure drawn on a plan represents a decision that will shape how people live, move, and interact with their surroundings. When a roadway drains efficiently during heavy rain, or when a subdivision integrates naturally with its landscape, that success can be traced back to thoughtful planning and rigorous engineering judgment. The process requires not only technical accuracy, but also empathy, the ability to anticipate future users' needs and to design systems that are safe, resilient, and sustainable. In the modern engineering environment, where deadlines are tight and projects increasingly complex, maintaining this level of thoughtfulness requires strong systems and disciplined workflows. Consistent design standards, clear quality control procedures, and effective collaboration between design teams ensure that every drawing reflects both precision and intent. These systems transform thoughtful design from an individual effort into a repeatable, scalable process that maintains quality even as project demands grow. Many civil engineering firms recognize that achieving this balance often depends on having the right technical support. Reliable outsourcing partners can play a crucial role in maintaining design consistency and efficiency. Among such partners, AXA Engineers has become known for its expertise in providing detailed civil engineering design support. Through well-structured workflows and a deep understanding of design logic, AXA Engineers assists firms in handling technical production with clarity and reliability. This allows design teams to devote more focus to creative problem-solving and strategic planning, while ensuring that every deliverable meets the highest standards of accuracy and constructability. The approach practiced by AXA Engineers reflects the same values that define thoughtful civil engineering: precision, foresight, and accountability. Every project supported underlines the importance of integrating technical excellence with a clear design philosophy, one that prioritizes performance, sustainability, and long-term functionality over mere speed. Ultimately, thoughtful design is what turns engineering from a process into a purpose. It is what transforms a set of plans into something meaningful infrastructure that works not only on paper, but in real life, for real people, over generations. The true measure of a civil engineer's success is not how fast a design is finished, but how well it endures, adapts, and continues to serve. Because when design is approached with patience, precision, and purpose, it becomes more than engineering. It becomes legacy. What about you? When you look at a project, what tells you that it was designed with true thoughtfulness? Share your perspective below. Every insight adds to how we define great engineering.